For as long as John and I have been together, we have always been about helping other people improve their lives. We tried our first Spartan race together and we loved it. We understood the movement of these types of races, so we started an obstacle adventure race at Blue Mountain, and we ran that for 5 years, not because it was easy, but because it changed people's lives, the smiles of all the first. We then tried CrossFit for the first time back in 2011, and we understood this was something different, something that would definitely change the fitness industry forever. So we opened our own gym 2 years later because we wanted to continue to change people's lives. We've now been drinking and sharing ketones for the last 6 years because we knew this company and this product and this community would change people's lives. And of course, with all of these things, people thought we were a bit crazy. Like, you're gonna what? How are you going to take on such a massive undertaking with an obstacle adventure race with over 1,200 people? And why would you open a CrossFit gym? It's just a fad. Network marketing, why would you guys want to be part of a pyramid? You're so much smarter than that. Because our passion is helping others live better, healthier, longer lives. It's what we do best. And if we can give just 1 or 2 tools to someone to get on the path to better, just that 1% every day, then our hearts are full and we know we've done our job. So please don't wait to be ready to reach out. Take the risk, DM me to find out how we can help you on the path to better with our proven Smay Way method.